May the 4th be with you. Yes! Son of a! The force is strong with this Keystone Light.
And a pleasant good afternoon, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Thanks for joining me on the channel. I'm definitely itching to get back on the road, and I'm excited about the future plans. However, first of all, here at Robert's King's Mobile RV Repair, we've got to finish tidying up the inside of the remodel and finish that up today, hopefully. I'll show you where we're at here. Yep, here's my new remodeled living room area here with the couch. So what we're gonna do is frame us in underneath here so that the kitties won't be able to go in there, and it'll have, you know, a nice look to it on the front. Also build something here to hide where the fuse box has been changed over, and add some Romex and outlets for accessories and things like that. We did determine that this speaker, this is the speaker for the sub for the soundbar, the Sony soundbar for the TV. Well, that will actually fit underneath here between the water tank and that water line right there. It'll fit under there, and we'll have a new outlet for the power. It's wireless connectivity, but it still needs AC power. As for the subwoofer covered in hair that we got for the RV itself, we're going to be working on that down here, also putting the amp underneath the seat here, and then finding a spot along here, hopefully, for the sub. Projects, you know, got to get this one tidied up so we can hit the road. Yeah, so Robert's got the Rycote rechargeable miter saw there to make some cuts, make that easier to make those cuts.
Yeah, it's not rechargeable.
Oh, it's plugged in.
Don't do what I do, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, I just realized they're getting a sneak peek of that back there, which will be in my next video.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. All right, so I guess this is a Craig jig. And it's going to be so that I can drill a hole at an angle and kind of hide it a little bit there. Nice. That looks good. It's gonna be custom. All right, check it out. Got the side and the front here. Really snug. Is gonna be minty. We're skipping ahead. Robert's gonna install the other outlet so that I have a separate power 15 amp breaker for this outlet that'll be underneath, which will power the subwoofer, and then he's gonna feed off that and give me some more outlets too. Outlets are for everybody. You get an outlet. You get an outlet.
Unlimited power.
Yeah, exactly. Now over here on Robert's deck, we've been going through the beers, and you know, they take up a lot of space, the aluminum, so I found something on Amazon. I got 2 of these, okay, can crushers, metal can crushers. This one's going to go in my RV, actually, but first, installed one right here on Robert's 4x4 post here, and how cool is this? You just put your beer can in there, give it a little tug-tug, that, and awesome. Well, we're watching some Camper Van Kevin getting some ideas as he shows me some campgrounds around Arizona this summer. There's still some snow on the ground right now, but Roberto is over here. Look at this, guys. It's like a couch armrest. It's going to be a cubby hole for storage.
Just a few.
And the framing's coming along nicely. Heck yeah. Custom. Alright, so we're going to take a break for tonight and then get back to wiring more. There's already one outlet down there that's working great. I just added one more 2x4 right here on this span right here, because since this is where the garbage can's going to go, I have always wanted one of these in an RV to save space in the garbage can, which is going to be right below this area. So that way, we just tack it on right there, something like that, and it's going to be firmly put on there and be able to save space. Crush some cans, have them drop right into the garbage can. See where I'm going with that idea? Heck yeah. Opie, am I doing things right? Is that exactly how it's supposed to go? Okay. Oh, thank you for letting me know. You're my little supervisor. Yes, you are a good supervisor. And then we got Tara Bear over here doing quality control for me so I don't do anything crazy. I appreciate that, Tara. You want to check my handiwork? Make sure Robert's doing everything right? All right, girlfriend. Oh my gosh, Tater Tot looks so great. We got the LED lights put back on. What's cool is you can see the green lights through the wheels now. Just kind of a little bonus. And plus, with the car now being lifted, a lot more of the ground is actually green with the lights. I've also got the RV all lit up, and I mean inside and outside of the RV. I love this setup, guys. We're going to take a break here and get back to finishing the couch tomorrow in this video. But first, we're going to go up to the porch, where Robert's actually got green lights on the porch now. Might not look green on the screen, but it is. This green Coleman hot tub is screaming my name. What are we at here? 102 degrees. Let's get those jets going. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It looks very inviting. You can see the steam rolling off. What would I do without my hot tub? Man. Oh, yeah. Good old Keystone Light. Man-freaking-tastic. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. Good morning, need my coffee. We got a lot of work to do today, guys. All right, let's finish up this couch living area. Gotta put a few more pieces of tile right there, then do the transition. I had mentioned when we first started this that eventually I'm gonna rip up all this linoleum and continue this theme throughout the RV, but for right now, I got a little transition piece for it so that we can get back on the road. Now for this, got a packet of this grooved, I believe you call it wainscoting stuff, wainscoting. And so this is all gonna be white underneath here to there, and then also underneath here is all going to be white, and I think that will really accent the dresser, which is white cabinet here. Yeah, check it out. The wainscoting's going on really well. It's just, you just kind of snap it together in the middle, and then you can't even see the seam. Down here, Robert's cutting up 12-inch pieces to go across. And then one thing I just added, keep adding more work, I'm going to be going to Home Depot and getting a 1x1 to go up here on top. That way I have something to mount LED lights to on the bottom underneath the couch, because once this is white, having down-firing LEDs green is really going to make the couch pop. Yep, this is really coming together now. And it's solid, guys. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, as you saw there, Robert cut the holes in the wainscoting, I forgot how you pronounce that. As for this, I've been back and forth on what kind of table is actually going to go here. I was even thinking about reusing the old dinette table of the RV. But not going to do that. It's just not the right material, and here, I'll show you what we got. Yeah, we got this really nice piece of plywood that didn't even have a price on it at Home Depot, but it was weird. It was in a weird spot because they had 2x2s, 2 foot by 2 foot squares, and that wouldn't work for us because we need 29 inches length. This was up there, not even with a price. We went up there, they scanned it. It was, I think, $14.98. And guys, this is the kind of piece of tabletop that you might not even want to paint. Might just put some stain over it, you know? It's such a beautiful piece of wood. It's 1/2 inch. That's gonna be my new table. Yeah, we're watching some Ryan Hall, y'all. We've lost our son and there's some storms in the area, so we just got it on to see what's going on. And Robert's got the air compressor in here to start putting the brad nails in from the wainscoting. It's actually coming alive. This is so cool. We're gonna run that white all the way on the top part of the table here also, get rid of all that dark wood. Except for the physical table, it'll go there. Alright, another quick little update here. Robert's been using the brad nailer. We got the air gun coming through here, and I've been applying all this. I cut this length right here to 62 inches. Little piece of trim is going to go up in the corner underneath the cushion and get there so that I can put the LED lights down firing so that this whole level will look green or whatever other color is going on in my RV. So see the gap between the floor and the white part. What's this called? Quarter trim?
Quarter round?
Quarter round. Look what this does when Robert puts this up against it. It hides all the gaps perfectly. All right, this cubby hole is going to be storage. There's going to be access right here, but we're going to have the table here. But there was one little spot right there where Robert had to put a patch just to keep the kitties from going back behind the couch and going back underneath the fridge. This part right here is going to be covered with a handy little pillow right there. Let's see how this tabletop fits that we just cut. I measured, Robert cut. Oh yeah! Wow, buddy. Opie, are we doing this right? Oh my goodness. Show him the belly. And then, hey Tara. And then there was a lip. Look at this, guys. I am so glad I am having Robert do this. There's literally a lip around, so I can put stuff on this and then drive around. Yeah, see? I can put my kitties on it, and then I can drive around, and the kitties won't fall off. You buds. Looks awesome. What's next? Oh, gotta put LEDs in. Oh, we gotta lick our paws. We gotta lick our paws. Oh, we gotta purr. Oh, we gotta purr a little bit. Okay, we'll add that to our list, Tater. All right. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? My RV remodel is complete. No more dinette. Guys, come on with me. As we come in the front steps, new aluminum molding around the step. Yep, we've got molding across there. This is what we see now. A custom couch. Gosh, guys, oh my gosh. Do you like it, Opie? It's alright, man. Yeah, Robert did awesome, guys. I helped. And at night, the green will show up more. You can see I did add more green. I always do. I've even got green underneath the couch, y'all. That wainscoting with 2 outlets on both ends. With all my USB ports and MacBook Pro. Everything. We got the can crusher right there. Garbage can goes right here. We got a tabletop with a lip. We've got, I need to get a little bit of paint touch-ups on this, but that wall is still there from the dinette. Gosh, this is incredible. Speakers back in. We've got trim piece along here. We still have carpet up here that I need to clean. But man, this flooring is so easy to keep clean. I just love it. We've got a transition piece right there between the linoleum, and I'm going to move this all the way back eventually, but I want to get back on the road right now. Just came out awesome with my white dresser. There's still some stuff on it, and my TV right there. Yeah. No more, well, there's a few cords, but where the cords used to be right here, they will no longer be right here. All of this is going to be taken out because we're using that third outlet that Robert installed under the couch to go under. That's going to go around and power the TV up front so that there's no more visible cords anywhere. You like the couch better? Now we can sit and watch birds on all the YouTube channels. Yeah, I get kisses. Aw, I get kisses from Opie. Thanks, buddy. Where's Tara? She doesn't like the new couch? What a project, guys. You have to have a vision, right? You have to make things better for you and your pets that you love. And I am super happy with this. I've also got all this new storage under here. The pillow comes out. I can store game consoles and controllers, maybe some DVDs and stuff under there. And that just pops up to have access to the fuse box underneath. So I think I like the white stitching now that we've got the white trim. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Hey Tara. Tara Bear. She says, it's time to feed me, Dad. Yeah, this came out great. If y'all looking for some RV work similar to this, or some solar work, or swapping a plastic toilet for a porcelain toilet, hit up my buddy Robert, who did all of this awesome work and made it look good over at King's Mobile RV Repair. He'll be here in the Kansas City area for a little bit longer, and then possibly you may see him in Arizona. So if you're in the Sholo area looking for some work in the future this late spring, hit him up, text him, give him a phone call, leave him a voicemail with what you got going on and where you're at. And I'm going to sit down and enjoy some of this, guys. I will see you in a little bit. I want to tour Robert's new camper in my next video as we leave, and then we'll be out of here. We'll be out of Missouri. You guys have a good night. Bye-bye. Are you guys ready for the big reveal on my RV remodel? As Opie just escaped.